This is the example on slide 48 of our chapter 13 PowerPoint. And here we're going to be writing an equilibrium expression with something that contains not gaseous or aqueous components. So question states to write the equilibrium expression for the following reaction at equilibrium, and I have the reaction written here. So the important thing to remember for writing an equilibrium expression is you only include things in the gas phase or the aqueous phase. You never include something that's in the liquid phase or solid phase. And that's because basically in the liquid or solid phase, adding or taking away things, they don't affect the way that the equilibrium shifts in either the forward or reverse direction. So we don't include it in the equilibrium expression. So the question just wants us to write the equilibrium expression like we've been doing for the past couple examples for the reaction shown here. But notice this time we have something in the liquid phase. So that means we're not going to include it in our equilibrium expression. So I'm going to write my Kc, and that's going to be equal to, remember, we're not including that guy. I'm going to put a big X through it so we don't even look at it. On the top, it's going to be Cl2 raised to the second power, because we have a 2 in front, and we're going to include this one because it's in the gas phase. And then that's over the reactants, and both of these, if we check, are in the gas phase, so we're going to include both of those. So first is going to be HCl, and that's going to be raised to the 4th power because we have a 4 in front of it, and then followed by just oxygen. And that's not raised to any power because we don't have the coefficient out in front. And that is your final answer. Cl2 raised to the 2nd power over HCl to the 4th power times O2. That's your equilibrium expression.